Every bag of crispy potato chips begins its journey in fertile fields before sunrise.
What do you think of this one? Huh, looks good. Keep them coming.
Only carefully selected potatoes continue to the manufacturing process.
Freshly harvested potatoes are prepared for transportation to the factory. The journey from the farm to the factory begins immediately after harvest. Fast transportation preserves freshness before processing begins. A highly automated manufacturing facility transforms simple potatoes into crispy snacks. Each shipment is carefully received before entering production. Cleaning is the first essential step inside the factory, ensuring every potato meets quality standards. Powerful washing systems remove every trace of soil before inspection begins. Both skilled workers and intelligent vision systems ensure only premium potatoes continue. Automated sorting guarantees uniform quality for every batch. The peeling process prepares each potato for perfectly even slicing. Every potato is peeled with precision to maintain product consistency. Precision slicing creates the perfect thickness for a crispy potato chip. Removing excess starch helps produce a lighter, crispier texture.
Carefully controlled drying prepares every slice for even frying.
Every production setting is carefully monitored before cooking begins. The transformation begins as fresh potato slices become the golden, crispy chips loved around the world. Inside the continuous fryer, carefully controlled heat transforms potato slices into crispy chips.
Precise cooking time creates the perfect golden color and crunchy texture.
Removing excess oil ensures the ideal texture and balanced flavor. Controlled cooling prepares every chip for even seasoning. Seasoning is applied with precision to deliver consistent flavor in every bite. Automated systems distribute the perfect amount of seasoning across every chip.
Continuous inspection ensures every batch meets strict quality standards.
Advanced optical technology checks every chip before packaging. Precision weighing guarantees every package contains the correct amount of chips. The finished chips are now ready to be sealed into fresh, consumer-ready packages. High-speed packaging machines precisely form each bag before filling. Airtight sealing locks in freshness, flavor, and crunch. Every package receives a unique production code for complete traceability. Automated inspection systems verify that every package meets strict quality standards. Precision weighing guarantees every customer receives the correct quantity. Robotic automation prepares finished products for bulk transportation. Securely sealed cartons protect the products during storage and transportation. Robotic palletizing improves speed, accuracy, and workplace safety. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment stable throughout distribution. With packaging complete, the finished products are carefully stored until they are ready for delivery. Customer orders are prepared with precision using advanced warehouse management systems. Every shipment is carefully verified before leaving the factory. Finished products are securely loaded to protect them throughout the journey. A final inspection ensures every shipment meets quality and logistics standards. Freshly packaged potato chips begin their journey to markets across the region. Efficient logistics help deliver fresh products quickly and reliably. Distribution centers organize shipments for stores across multiple locations. From the factory to store shelves, every package is prepared for consumers to enjoy. The manufacturing journey ends where everyday moments of enjoyment begin. From fertile fields to your hands, every potato